Hi everybody, good morning, good afternoon, depending on your location. I brought another topic today. This topic is why you should start a YouTube channel. Some people, they are contemplating whether they should start a YouTube channel or not. Some people, because they are watchers, you understand, they are not creators. And they heard when some creators will say the YouTube is saturated, that there are so many content creators in YouTube. It would make their mind not to start a YouTube channel. No, 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 no. Please, sky is big enough for everybody to fly, okay? You should start a YouTube channel, please. If you are not a content creator, you understand? This platform is for everybody, please. Make sure that you start your YouTube channel and follow every one of us to fly. Let me give you the reason why you should start a YouTube channel, okay? If this is what you're looking for, please stick on, don't touch your dial. I'll be right. Starting a YouTube channel can be one of the most rewarding decisions. Yes, even to me self, starting a YouTube channel is one of the most rewarding decisions that I've ever made in my life. You understand? I'm enjoying it. I don't know that it's so sweet. You understand? Although it can be so tiring and so hectic, but we move. But it's one of the most good thing, that's the best decision that I've ever made in my life. You understand? So you too, you can equally make that decision, okay? You are made, when you start a YouTube channel, you have your decision. You are not working for anybody, but you're working for yourself. All right? You earn money in the comfort of your home. You understand? So I think it's an applause. Let's leave it like that. You understand? On when you go out to find a work, maybe 9 to 5 job, that they are paying you pin. Although you can work, you can make a YouTube as a side hustle too, if you can combine the two. You understand? There's some people that are superman or superwoman, they can combine the two together, but I don't think it's advisable to, except maybe. It depends, sha. It depends on the way your strength can carry you, okay? So on starting a YouTube channel, you understand, it's as if you make personally, professionally, or even financially. Here are compelling reasons why you should start a YouTube channel. Let me give you the good reason why you should start a YouTube channel. Now, number one, you own your platform. You understand? You are not sharing your platform with anybody. You own this platform. Anything that you want to do here, you do. Any content that you want to bring out here, you bring out. You understand? Your own is for you to create a good content. Nobody is instructing you, bring this file to this office, go to this place, or please, we are sending you to Abuja, we are sending you to Lagos, we are sending you to Kaduna now for just a quick meeting. Nobody. You are making money at the comfort of your home. You are the decision maker. You understand? You make, if you want these things to succeed, is in your hands. You understand? Guys, you know that YouTube second largest search engine in the world. You understand? Everybody is nice talking of YouTube. If it is not even the first, this one they are saying second. Maybe this one will be maybe some statistics ago. Maybe if they look at it in very well now, it may be first and or Google. I don't know. Two of them, they are competing with each other. You understand? So having a channel give you a platform where you control the content and message. You understand? Especially for all these our big creators that already have audience. In their platform, they can say something and it will be heard in all over the world. You understand? When you have a platform, you can be able to speak. You can be able to share your opinion. You can be able to impute, maybe if something is going on in your country, with your platform well known, you can be able to impute one or two things. You understand? Why? Because you're a content creator, a big content creator at that one, and people know you, okay? So unlike social media where posts disappear quickly, some of the social media, you will post a something, before you know it will disappear, but YouTube is here to stay. YouTube doesn't do disappearing messages or disappearing content, except maybe you go against their rule. They can take out the content by themselves. Second reason why you should start a YouTube channel now is build a personal brand, because if you start a YouTube channel, just bear it at the corner of your mind that you're building your brand as well. You understand? Your personal brand, to that matter. Video content build trust faster than text or images. You understand? When you do a video, as I'm talking to you now, some of you know me, you understand, through social media, through this YouTube, through my channel, because you come across my video, or you come across my channel. You understand? I am now known. You know me, I know you. You understand? It's better than sharing images, sharing photos, sharing text. You understand? But when you speak, looking at the camera, it can travel to a bigger places where you can even imagine. Whether you are a student, creator, freelancer, or entrepreneur, YouTube helps you showcase your expertise and personality authentically. You understand? Whether you are an entrepreneur, whether you are a freelancer, whether you are a student, if you start a YouTube makes you to show your personality, to show to people what you have. You understand? To show your creative side of yourself. You understand? So this is what YouTube does to you. Number 3, why you should start a YouTube channel in this 2025. Passive income potential. You understand? Let me explain to you. Through monetization, ad sponsorship, affiliated link, and product sales, your content can generate income even while you sleep. You understand? See, YouTube, you are not some, you know, let me give you the first time I pick up my camera, said I want to be posting something. I'm that kind of person. I love social media a lot. You understand? If you ask my husband can tell you, initially he was against it, but later he saw that this is what gives me joy. He now allow me. You understand? Personally, forget about this. I need the money equally, but I love social medias. I love content. I love social media. Okay, so that is me. So with this YouTube now, at least I have an edge, because when I'm posting something, before you know it, all these brand sponsorship, they can be coming to me, they can pay me, I can advertise something for them. You understand? I can be making money with affiliated links, I can be making money with a product sale. That is YouTube for you, aside from your revenue. You understand? You digitalize what? Like in my previous video, I told you how you can make money apart from YouTube income. You understand? Because one, you are out there, the world is watching you, everybody is watching you, so you have upper hand to make money more than those people that are not on social media or on YouTube. You understand? So this is what they are telling you. Your content can generate income even while you sleep. You understand? Especially when you are monetized. Remember, the video that you post like 2 years ago, if you're monetized, you understand, by that time, it can be, you know, if people are still watching that video, it can be generating income to you. It can be generating income maybe when you have not posted for the last 3 months, but your content is still generating income for you. So this is what YouTube does. You understand? So one good video can keep earning for years. Especially, that is why they ask you people, if you're not really starting a YouTube, if you're starting a YouTube, make sure that you're making a good video, a value video that can, even if in next 1 year the video will still be generating income for you. You understand? Not a video that you make immediately, before you know it, everything will just die off immediately. You understand? So if you're making a content, please, all the content creators, I'm begging you, if you're making a content, make sure that you bring value to people. And it's not only for people, both for yourself and for that channel. Because that YouTube, that video may not do well now. Maybe in the next 2 years, that is when you'll be reaping the fruit of your labor. You understand? That is what this YouTube does. So number 4 of why you should start a YouTube channel in this 2024. Number 4 reason, skill development. This YouTube can make you so many you did not even thought of doing. You understand? Because YouTube pushes you to level up. Exactly, because when I enter this YouTube, I don't know anything on this YouTube. I don't even know that there's a way to set a camera to film. I don't even know about it. It was when you watch my first video, my second video that I uploaded, you can see the way I was uploading a video. It was a meteor of life that told me that part, the way I'm setting that camera is not the way it's supposed to be. She was the one that told me, please, when you are filming a video, set it like this. It will be very good on your channel. I don't know anything. But me coming to YouTube, I began to know some things, especially as I venture in this tutorial niche. You know, teachers, when you're teaching to people, you're equally learning, all right? That is one thing with teaching work. You understand? So YouTube pushes you to level up. Let me tell you, in a way where YouTube pushes you to level up. Number 1, when it comes to video editing, Before, I don't know what is editing. I'll be hearing editing, but I don't know how to do it. I don't even know what. I have a CapCut on my phone, but I don't know what to use, what to do, how to go about this editing app. But when I entered YouTube, I began to realize, okay, this is how they edit video. This is how I have not in my life. I have not watched editing video in my life. Maybe what I normally do is that I would just go over to that CapCut. I started playing, knowing some things inside. I started playing with the CapCut. If I do this one, I will know, okay, say, okay, this is the way this thing is being done. You understand? During my video, I will apply it. That is the way I learn editing. Nobody taught me. I did not pay for any masterclass. Nobody taught me about editing. The little ones that I have now. I know, although I'm not perfect, but at least all of us, we are climbing there. All right. So another one is script writing. It was YouTube. I said, can I sit down and be scripting? But during this my content, I first of all, I do research. You know, when you're doing research, you need to pen down some things. You need to script. You understand? So that you will not be able to forget. Write out your bullet points that you want to use to make a video like the one I'm doing now. You understand? It was in YouTube that I learned, although I went to school, but I have not thought of putting it into practice. You understand? But it was this YouTube that my brains developed, everything developed very well. You understand? You can see that YouTube is a skill developer. You understand? So number 3 of it is communication. You know, I am a stammerer. I don't know whether most of you notice. I stammer, you understand? But it's not too bad, but I stammer. So I don't like talking in public as such. To talk of carrying camera and be talking to camera or to the whole world. You understand? And another one, the second one, if you don't know me, let me leave a secret for you. I'm a shy type. I'm very, very shy. You understand? So with this content creation, I become bold to speak on the camera. You understand? I become bold. You understand? Without minding anything. This is the handwork of owning a channel. You understand? So, number 4, search engine optimization, SEO. Is this YouTube I heard about search engine optimization? Is in this YouTube I learned about it. You understand? If you're working in a company, you can use search optimization in your own company. You understand? To do so many things. 5, market. You can say that YouTube is a skill developer. You understand? If you want to develop your skill, if you want to know something that you didn't know, please head over to this YouTube. YouTube works. You understand? You earn your money. YouTube develop you. You know so many things that you don't know. That is YouTube for you. So these are transferable skills that can open doors beyond YouTube. You know, you see this list that I've listed: video editing, scripting, writing, communication, SEO, and marketing is a skill that can open doors, especially if you know it. Especially if you know all these things, you can use it. Somebody can employ you digitally. Somebody can make a video and tell you, please, can you edit it for me? You edit it, you send it to that person, they pay you. Not all these people that want to collect people channel that said I am an SEO master. Please don't listen to them, please. Be very, very careful. You understand? So YouTube is a good thing, especially in this 2025. I don't know where this country is going to. We are in a digitalized world. We are in a Paleolithic age. We are not in a stone age again. You understand? So everyone, if you're lacking behind, you better wake up, buckle up, and do what others are doing. YouTube is here. All right. So number 5, global research. You understand? With one upload, your message can reach thousands or millions around the world. Can you predict how far your video travels? Do you know how many countries that your video is? Maybe when you upload a video, then do you know how many countries that is getting your video? See, YouTube is a broad place. You understand? It's a wide place for people. So if you know how to utilize it, do it very, very well. All right. So guys, these are no better way to scale your voice, ideas, or business. With YouTube, you can be able to lend your voice. You understand? To the people, you can be able to bring your ideas. To the people, you can be able to do, or even in your businesses, you can use your YouTube to do your business. You understand? So that is YouTube for you. YouTube can solve so many things for us if you know how to use it. Number 6 on why you should start a YouTube channel. Connect with a community. You understand? They ask you to connect with a community when you start a YouTube channel. You understand? You don't just gain followers, you build a community. I have known in this YouTube, I have come to know so many people. a good people in my life with this YouTube. Should I mention name? A good people in this place. Temiti of Life, Susan Olaiwale, Ivy the Icon, Green Health, Bumi. So many good people. Chika Nwosu, Gigi Gist, Maureen. You understand? So this YouTube have made me to meet so many amazing people that really helped me in this channel. Don't worry, I will make a dedication video. You know, I have clocked 1,000. Yay! But no video yet. I will make a dedication video about that 1,000 subscriber that I have. All right, I'm coming to that. I will mention, but this one that I mentioned is just but a few. YouTube have made me to meet so many amazing souls on this YouTube. Really help my channel. All right, YouTube allows for real engagement with people who care about your content and your growth. That is YouTube for you, because when you open a YouTube, if you're a content creator, if you're opening a YouTube, you're building community as well. You get to know so many people around. Is it any good? May God bless all of my amazing YouTube family that I have met online. May God bless you all. I so much appreciate you. I wouldn't have met all of you if not for this YouTube. All right, I am so grateful. Yes. Number 7, document your journey. YouTube is a tool to document your journey. You understand? Whether it's your career, hobby, or life lesson, your channel becomes a public journal. Yes, I like documenting my life. As in, I don't even know that I will venture into this tutorial niche. But I said, okay, very, very soon I will open up a vlog channel. At least that place is where I will document my life. This is what YouTube does. At least anytime that you want to look back on something, or maybe you are in a bigger place, you want to look back where you have started, you go to your YouTube and search all your videos. That is what YouTube does for you. YouTube is a saver. You understand? So that is YouTube for you. Years from now, you can look back and see how far you have gone. That is YouTube. Documentation of your life is very, very essential. Please, very soon I will open my vlog channel, my lifestyle channel. Please, you guys should support me. That's bring me to number 7. You understand? Of where you should start a YouTube channel. On a low budget YouTube channel, is not as if you need a capital to start a business. Not YouTube. With your camera, with your smartphone that have a quality camera, you can be able to start a YouTube. You understand? What you need to start a YouTube is a smartphone, basic editing tools, and an internet connection are enough to get started. You don't need money. That is why YouTube is so sweet. It's not as if those people that say, I want to start business. Well, you know, when you want to start business, you need capital, isn't it? YouTube, you don't need capital. What you need is your idea, your brain, what you can create, how you can make magic out of it, how you can make it to gain views, how you can make it to travel wide. That is YouTube for you. Your brain, your sense, that is YouTube. You don't need all those money at hand. You know, some people now, when you ask them, which business are you doing? I don't have money, I'm looking for capital. It's not on YouTube. So this is the reason why you that is watching me, you should, if you're a watcher, you don't have a channel, you should start up a YouTube channel. You understand? In this 2025. Guys, the only thing that you can do in this YouTube, the only money that you can give them is consistency and value. That is the only thing that you will bring to them. That is YouTube. You understand? So if you're on the fence, here is the truth. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Don't say, I don't know how to speak English. I don't know how to construct my words. You can see me now. I'm not speaking fluently. But at least you guys understand what I mean. Even where I made a mistake, you understand what I mean. That is YouTube for you. Please do start. Do start. Even if you are stammering, please start and be talking slowly. You can see how you will overcome that your stammerer. All right, I have come to the end of this video. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do well to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell. Please, when you go through my channel, I have a lot of videos for you for your growth. Just take your time and check the videos. I have a playlist, very wonderful playlist that I have organized for you people to watch. All right, till I come your way next time, please just start a YouTube channel today. All right.